Today we're going to swap the factory Gemini wheel covers on our Tesla Model Y for a set of matte black Gemini wheel covers from Evooor. When we purchased our Tesla Model Y, we opted for the base 19-inch wheels with the Gemini wheel covers, as they are the most efficient wheel configuration available, and the tires that come with the 19-inch wheels have the longest tread life. And while I do like the design of the Gemini wheel covers, I don't think the colors that Tesla chose are the best, and don't go along with the black window trim, door handles, or even the autopilot camera housings. Thanks to Evooor, we can now swap the standard Gemini wheel covers with black versions to match the rest of the Model Y. I'm obviously not the only one who noticed this, as the updated Tesla Model Y sold in China since October 2023 now includes black versions of the Gemini wheel covers from the factory. I understand that I could simply remove the Gemini wheel covers and drive around with the uncovered factory 19-inch wheels. However, the Gemini wheel covers are not just for looks and do serve a purpose, as they make the 19-inch wheels more aerodynamic and extend the range slightly. The Evooor Gemini wheel covers are shipped in individual boxes housed in a larger box and are well packaged to prevent damage. Evooor includes a foam tape which is applied along the perimeter of each wheel cover to protect the wheel cover from damaging your wheel. In terms of installation, you simply pull off the old Gemini wheel covers using some force and snap on the new Evooor Gemini wheel covers. Note that you need to ensure that the opening on the wheel cover is aligned with the tire valve stem for proper installation. Although changing the wheel covers is a relatively minor change, the color on these wheel covers has a big impact on the rest of the Model Y's design language without having to give up the efficiency of the factory wheel covers. The upgrade is also far less expensive than getting new rims from either Tesla or the aftermarket. As always, if you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.